I hate this channel.
No! No!
People of the Teeny Bottom! Oh. Huh?
Look out!
It cut Yoshi up pretty bad. Went lame, and we had to put him down. So in memory of Yoshi, we're going to do a rapid fire on that duck. It's what he would have wanted.
You eat all my beans, nigga!
Ah! Art, I don't want to alarm you, but...
There's no Reggie from Nintendo. So who's gonna kick ass and take names now?
I'm guessing that's probably gonna be you.
Damn right, motherfucker!
Oh, these are pretty cool bananas.
Who else can they add?
Ready? Go!
So no head?
A new record!
Bye-bye.
Maybe next time.
Come on over here. Come on over here. No, you let me off. Come on, coward. No. Come on. You're not an intellectual. You're a fake and a fraud.
What? What are you doing here?
Hello gamers, it's me, Bowser. I've come to tell you that I have successfully killed Reggie and I now own Nintendo. I also have some news. Banjo-Kazooie and the Hero are not coming to Smash. Instead, Freddy Fazbear and the Pea Shooter from Plants vs. Zombies will be coming to Smash. Luigi's Mansion 3 has been delayed to 2035. Animal Crossing has been cancelled, and the Family Guy video game is being ported to the Switch. Thank you.
Wait a minute. There's been a bit of a mix-up. You're not the right Bowser.
What? What do you mean? Who the hell are you?
Sorry, but I'm the right Bowser for this presentation.
You know what? You guys aren't worth my time. So I'm about to head out.
Back at it again at Krispy Kreme.
We've also got a new course part that makes these course themes even more fun.
Oh, shit!
Back at it again at
Mario Kart.
Let's go!
For his neutral special, he wields a gun. His up special fires a gun. His side special invokes Aha with a mere finger gun, and a manifestation of his persona, gun. His neutral special upgrades to gun special. It handles the same as before, only now gun. His up special transforms into wings of gun. While this move won't deal damage, it will make you invincible for a gun. His down special performs one of two counter gun. Projectiles can be deflected with gun. Oh, by the way, Arsene is completely gun. And then there's Joker's final gun. All out gun. Gun. We're also adding in the new stage gun.
There's old friends and